Can a Faraday cage protect you from lightning? Have you ever wondered if a Faraday cage can keep you safe from lightning while camping? This is a great question, especially for those who enjoy seasonal camping and may find themselves in the rain. Let's break it down. A Faraday cage is made from conductive materials like metal mesh or solid metal. Its design helps to distribute electrical charges around its exterior. This means if lightning strikes a properly built Faraday cage, the electrical current flows around the outside, keeping the inside safe from electric shock. In practical terms, a Faraday cage can protect you from lightning by channeling the lightning current safely to the ground. For instance, storm shelters with steel walls act as Faraday cages. People inside these shelters remain safe during severe storms. The steel structure equalizes electrical potential across its surface, preventing dangerous voltage differences inside. However, there are some key points to consider when thinking about this for camping. First, the cage must fully enclose the space with conductive material to be effective. If it is only partially enclosed or poorly grounded, it will not provide the protection you need. Next, proper grounding is essential. The cage must connect to a grounding system that safely directs the lightning current into the earth. Without this grounding, the cage could still become energized and pose a risk. Another important detail is the size and mesh of the cage. The spacing of the conductors affects how well it works. If the gaps are too large, some electrical fields can still get inside. Now here's the catch. Not all Faraday cages are practical for camping. Typical tents or shelters found in parks do not function as Faraday cages and do not offer protection from lightning. Instead, metal vehicles or specially designed storm shelters are better examples of Faraday cages. So, when you are out in the parks or campgrounds, remember that while a Faraday cage can protect you from lightning, most camping gear does not work this way. Do not rely on tents or simple shelters for safety during a lightning storm. Instead, look for designated lightning-safe structures like metal storm shelters or vehicles. If you find yourself outdoors during a storm, avoid isolated trees, open fields, and metal objects. Always follow established lightning safety procedures. A properly constructed and grounded Faraday cage can keep you safe from lightning, but it is vital to know what works and what does not while camping.